Drag the letters to spell the word fox.
F O X.
Good work! You spelled the word fox. Drag the letters to spell the word yak.
Y A K.
Great! You spelled the word yak. Drag the letters to spell the word bud.
B U D D.
Awesome! You spelled the word bud. Drag the letters to spell the word nut.
N U T.
Super! You spelled the word nut. Drag the letters to spell the word log.
L O G.
Super! You spelled the word log. Help the bird with the letter E. Fly to the nest. Yay! You found the letter E. Help the rabbit with the letter G. Hop to the grass. Great! You found the letter G. Help the hippo with the letter H. Climb to the top of the hill. Awesome! You found the letter H. Put the fish with the letter T in the lake. Yep, you found the letter T. Put the hog with the letter N into the mud. Put the hog with the letter N into the mud. Yay! You found the letter N. Give the banana with the letter W to the monkey. Great! You found the letter W.